Welcome, friends, to a truly special day in the kitchen. I'm so glad you're here to join us for a culinary adventure that's as fun as it is delicious. Today, we're making the legendary Crunchwrap Supreme right in your own kitchen. No need for a drive-thru or takeout. You'll be amazed at how easy and satisfying it is to create this fast food favorite from scratch, surrounded by the people you love. Imagine transforming simple, everyday ingredients into a golden, hexagonal parcel bursting with flavor and texture. Each bite is a delightful surprise, with layers of crunch, creaminess, and spice all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. It's easier than you think and perfect for a fun afternoon with friends or family. Cooking together brings everyone closer, and there's nothing like sharing laughter and stories while you create something tasty. Each layer has its place, and when they come together, it's pure magic. The crispy tostada, the seasoned beef, the fresh veggies, and the gooey cheese all combine for a bite that's out of this world. You're the boss. Add extra cheese, more sauce, or your favorite twist. Maybe you want to spice it up with jalapenos, or keep it classic with just the basics. The Crunchwrap is your canvas. This isn't just a recipe, it's a hands-on, delicious adventure. Everyone can pitch in, from the youngest to the oldest, making memories as you cook and eat together. The kitchen will soon be filled with the sizzle of beef, the warmth of tortillas, and the irresistible aroma of spices. It's a feast for the senses, and the anticipation makes it even better. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a first-time cook, you're in for a treat. Ready for the grand tour? Let's dive in and discover how to make the ultimate Crunchwrap Supreme together. Every great creation starts with the right ingredients. Before you can build a masterpiece, you need to gather everything you'll need for your Crunchwrap adventure. Think of this as your culinary treasure hunt. Each item is a key to unlocking deliciousness. First up, you'll need large flour tortillas for the base. These soft, flexible rounds are the foundation that holds everything together, so make sure they're big enough to wrap up all your tasty fillings. And don't forget the smaller tortillas. They'll help seal the top and keep all that goodness inside, making every bite neat and satisfying. Next, grab some crispy corn tostada shells for that signature crunch. These add a layer of texture that makes the Crunchwrap so irresistible. For the filling, you'll want ground beef cooked with taco seasoning, store-bought or homemade, whichever you prefer. The savory, spiced beef is the heart of your Crunchwrap, so don't skimp on flavor. Add a generous drizzle of nacho cheese sauce for gooiness and a creamy, melty bite in every layer. Then a dollop of cool, tangy sour cream brings balance, while shredded lettuce adds a crisp, refreshing crunch. Diced tomatoes join the party, bringing bursts of juicy freshness and a pop of color to every bite. And of course, don't forget plenty of shredded cheese. Cheddar or Monterey Jack work great, or use a blend for extra flavor and meltiness. So let's recap your shopping list. Large and small flour tortillas, crispy tostada shells, seasoned ground beef, taco seasoning, nacho cheese sauce, sour cream, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and plenty of cheese. Double check your list. Do you have everything you need? If so, you're ready for the next step. With your scrumptious supplies gathered, let's move on to assembly and start building your Crunchwrap masterpiece. It's time to build your very own Crunchwrap, just like the pros. We'll walk through each step together so you can create a delicious, homemade version that's sure to impress your friends and family. Start by browning your ground beef in a skillet over medium heat. As it cooks, break it up with a spatula so it cooks evenly. Once it's no longer pink, drain off any excess fat, then sprinkle in your favorite taco seasoning. Add a splash of water to help the flavors blend, and stir until the beef is coated in that savory, spiced goodness. Next, lay a large flour tortilla flat on your work surface. Spoon a generous mound of the seasoned beef right into the center. Don't be shy. This is the heart of your Crunchwrap. Then, drizzle a good amount of warm nacho cheese sauce over the beef for that classic creamy, cheesy layer. Now, gently place a crispy tostada shell on top of the beef and cheese. This adds the signature crunch. Spread a thin, even layer of cool sour cream over the tostada shell, making sure to cover it edge to edge. Sprinkle on a handful of shredded lettuce for freshness. followed by diced tomatoes for a juicy pop of flavor. Don't forget a generous handful of shredded cheese. This will melt beautifully and help hold everything together. To help seal in all those tasty layers, place a small tortilla right on top of your fillings. This extra tortilla acts as a barrier, keeping everything neatly tucked inside. Carefully fold the edges of the large tortilla up and over the center, working your way around to create a neat hexagon shape. Take your time. This step is key to keeping your Crunchwrap intact while it cooks. Gently transfer your folded Crunchwrap seam side down into a lightly oiled skillet that's been preheated over medium heat. This helps the seam seal shut and gives you that signature crispy exterior. Let it cook for a few minutes until the bottom is golden brown and crisp. Then, using a spatula, carefully flip it over and cook the other side. You want both sides to be perfectly toasted and crunchy. Once your Crunchwrap is golden and crisp on both sides, transfer it to a plate. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. This is your homemade masterpiece. Use a sharp knife to slice your Crunchwrap in half. You'll see all those beautiful, colorful layers stacked inside, just waiting to be devoured. Each bite is a perfect mix of crunchy tostada, gooey cheese, seasoned beef, and fresh toppings. It's a flavor and texture explosion in every mouthful. Enjoy your creation. You've earned it. The first bite is pure magic. You'll hear that satisfying crunch, then taste the warm, seasoned beef and gooey cheese. The cool sour cream and crisp lettuce add a refreshing contrast. Every bite is a mix of textures, crunchy, creamy, fresh, and cheesy. The hexagon shape keeps everything perfectly contained. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Each mouthful is a festival of flavor and fun. That's the Crunchwrap magic. What sets the Crunchwrap apart? It's all about the layers and contrasts. The tostada shell separates hot, melty beef and cheese from the cool, crisp veggies. Each bite delivers both warmth and freshness. The textures are unbeatable. Soft tortilla, crunchy tostada, gooey cheese, and crisp lettuce. The clever folding keeps it all together, making it portable and mess-free. No more fillings spilling out like with tacos or burritos. It's a perfectly engineered handheld feast. That's why the Crunchwrap is a true icon. A few tips for Crunchwrap success. Warm your tortillas so they're soft and easy to fold, no tearing. Cook on medium heat for a golden crust and melty cheese. Always start seam side down in the pan to seal the folds. Don't overfill. Keep fillings within the tostada's circle for easy folding. Adapt for any diet swap beef for beans or plant-based meat. Use vegan cheese and sour cream. The Crunchwrap is endlessly customizable. A little patience and the right technique make all the difference. Keep it neat, keep it tasty. You're ready for Crunchwrap greatness. Now, unleash your creativity. Try different fillings, shredded chicken, chorizo, or even breakfast ingredients like eggs and hash browns. Spice it up with jalapenos or hot sauce, or add guacamole for extra creaminess. Set up a Crunchwrap bar so everyone can build their own. It's a fun, interactive meal for family and friends. Don't worry if your first fold isn't perfect. The fun is in the making. You'll be proud of your homemade golden brown Crunchwrap. Once you taste it, you'll want to make them again and again. Happy inventing.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.